Picture this: it is a scorching hot summer day, you get into your car, turn the air conditioning all the way down to max, and wait for that refreshing blast of ice-cold air. But instead, all you get is a disappointing breeze of warm, humid air pushing right into your face. Your first thought might be that you just need a simple refrigerant recharge, but the reality could be much worse. The heart of your car's air conditioning system is the AC compressor, and when it fails, your entire cooling system goes completely dead. Replacing an AC compressor can be a costly repair, so you definitely want to catch the warning signs early before it completely self-destructs and ruins other parts of your system. In this video, we are breaking down the 5 absolute clearest signs that your car's AC compressor is going bad, and exactly how you can test it yourself under the hood. Let us get straight into it. The first and most obvious symptom of a failing compressor is a total lack of cold air. The compressor's job is to pump and pressurize the refrigerant throughout the AC loops. If the internal pistons or valves inside the compressor wear out, it can no longer compress the refrigerant efficiently. This means the system cannot remove heat from the cabin, leaving you with lukewarm or completely warm air blowing out of your vents. If your air is blowing warm but your cabin fans are working perfectly, the compressor is the very first suspect you need to investigate. Moving on to the second major warning sign, which is loud, unusual noises whenever you turn the AC on. Inside your compressor, there are bearings and rotating components that spin at high speeds. Over time, as the internal lubricant degrades or leaks out, these metal parts start grinding against each other. If you suddenly hear a loud squealing, rattling, or a distinct whining noise from under the hood only when you press that AC button, your compressor's internal bearings are likely failing. Ignoring this noise is a recipe for disaster, because those grinding metal parts create tiny metal shards that will quickly contaminate and destroy your entire AC system from the inside out. The third symptom is a completely seized compressor clutch. The AC compressor has a clutch pulley connected to your engine's drive belt. When you turn off the AC, the pulley spins freely. But when you switch the AC on, an electromagnetic clutch engages, locking the pulley to the compressor shaft to power it up. You can easily test this yourself by popping the hood with the engine running. Look closely at the very front of the AC compressor pulley. If the engine is running and the AC is turned on, that outer clutch plate should be spinning smoothly along with the belt. If the belt is spinning but that front plate stays completely still or jerks rapidly, your clutch is seized or failing, meaning the compressor cannot engage to cool your car. Our fourth warning sign is physical refrigerant or oil leaks around the compressor body. The compressor has seals and gaskets to keep the highly pressurized refrigerant and oil contained inside. As these seals age, dry out, or crack, oil will begin to seep out. If you look under your hood with a flashlight and notice a dark, greasy accumulation of oil or wet grime directly on or beneath the AC compressor, it is a clear indicator that a seal has blown. Once enough oil leaks out, the compressor will run dry, overheat, and instantly lock up. Finally, the fifth sign to watch out for is a stalled engine or a burning rubber smell. If the internal components of the compressor completely seize up while you are driving, the pulley will instantly stop turning. Because your engine's serpentine belt is trying to force that frozen pulley to spin, the extreme friction will cause the rubber belt to slip, smoke, and give off a strong burning smell. In severe cases, the sudden resistance from a locked compressor can even stall your engine out completely or snap the belt, leaving you stranded without power steering or an alternator. Your car's AC system always drops hints before it completely dies out. Paying close attention to these 5 signs can save your components and save your wallet from a massive repair bill. Have you noticed any of these strange noises or warm air in your ride lately? Let us know your troubleshooting stories in the comments section down below. If you found this quick breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Clues for more practical automotive tips, and share this video with a friend. Thanks for watching, and stay cool out there on the road.